Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing an official Sony DualShock 4 wireless controller for the PS4, in a color they call Wave Blue. So quickly looking over the box here, you got the PlayStation branding and logo on the front and the top left here, as well as the Sony trademark logo here. Then right in the middle, you got the clear plastic covering the controller, showing your color, make sure there's no defects or anything, you know exactly, okay, that's what I ordered, this is what I wanted. Great. Don't even have to open it up to see what's in there. Then just underneath the controller, you have the DualShock 4 branding name, letting you know, alright, this is the DualShock 4 wireless controller for the PS4. Very minimal, not much information, but all the information you need to know on a product like this. Looking at the sides, there's also not much information, but you have more PlayStation branding, the logo up there, as well as DualShock 4 wireless controller and the contents of the package, so you know what to expect inside here. So you have the actual controller itself and the instruction manual. Quickly looking at the opposite side, you once again have the PlayStation logo branding. Gotta have that everywhere, right? And it's telling you that it's compatible with the PlayStation 4 in a little image of a PlayStation 4, I guess. Looking at the top, you have the little tab here, plastic, which I'm assuming holds all this in. Then it just tells you what it is, the DualShock 4 wireless controller. But that's about it for the front and sides, so but we take a look where the most information is and check out the back. So looking at the back of the package here, once again, you have the PlayStation logo and name branding. Then you have the Sony trademark name over here. Some little buzzwords that want to get you excited about the product since it's so revolutionary, intuitive, and precise. Gotta let you know that. Then just under that, you have an image of the controller. Not a full image, but a little black and white image with just a couple features of it, telling you about the multi-touch pad, built-in speaker and microphone jack, your share button, a little explanation of what that does, and your integrated light bar, which I'll be so glad when they get rid of for the PlayStation 5. But anyways, this is a DualShock 4 controller. Let's talk about that. On the right here, just another little paragraph about the controller and how revolutionary it is. Then just underneath all that, a full width ad for PlayStation Now with hundreds of games in the fine print, letting you know it's only PS3 games that you can stream on your PS4. But, you know, if that's what you're into, you want to play some PS3 games on your PS4, you might want to look into that. Then underneath there, just a little bit of information letting you know how to connect and charge your controller. You'll need a micro USB cable, which is sold separately, not included with this controller here. And that's about it for the back. So let's quickly take a look at the bottom here, where you have little barcode and your color. Oh, if we can get that to focus. You got the Sony Interactive Entertainment Corporation, or Incorporated, your model number, made in China, then their logo. For assistance with this product, visit playstation.com/helpme. Design specifications, just all some trademark and legal mumbo jumbo that they got to put down there. Alright, but that's it for the box, so how about we just get into it? Okay, so now after looking over all the packaging, to open it up, I should just have to cut this plastic tab here, this plastic tab here. So without any more delay, let's just do it. Always remember, when cutting something, cut away from yourself. There we go, there's one side cut. We should get the other side right here. Alright, there's two sides cut. I should have released the top. I'll just reach in here, open up this lid. There we go. Fold that back. Pull out the controller, I hope. Oh, a little bit stuck. There we go. There we go. Nothing else in that box right there. So get rid of that. And what we're left with is our DualShock 4 Wave Blue controller. Comes in this nice protective plastic, as you could see from when it was still in the box. Alright, that's like a nice matte color. I'm really liking that. Everything still looks pretty good. There's a little mark right there. I don't know, maybe that'll come off. But other than that, looks pretty good. Some hairs, but that could also be from here. And actually, if you see that, it's actually 2 different colors of blue. That's pretty neat. I did already know that when I ordered it, but still, seeing it in person, you know, you can never really go by the picture online. I really like that. Buttons feel nice. I don't know if that gray is a little more faded or not. Maybe just because the way the controller, but I don't know. The matching, I really like the way the blue and the gray matches. All the buttons seem to work good. Triggers, great. So, you got your Sony model and barcode back there. Oh, move that packaging and you have the Sony DualShock 4 wireless controller instruction manual. Now, if you're buying this controller and you need to read the instruction manual, okay. But if you do, here it is. You know, you got the English side all right there. And the other side, obviously, your French side. Since I'm in Canada, I'll always got to include an English and a French. I'm not sure if they do it in other countries, but they do it here. Obviously, you got your limited warranty down in the corner here, your specifications, use and handling, charging the controller, pairing the controller, which might be something you might actually need to know. So, if you need to know how to pair the controller, there it is right there. But other than that, this is everything that came in the packaging with the DualShock 4 Wave Blue wireless controller for the PS4. So I just went and grabbed my original PS4 controller just to kind of do a little bit of a comparison. And first thing I noticed is, yes, the buttons are a different color on this. It's like a little bit of a matte gray to go with the matte blue finish that's on here, which I really do like. One thing I had never even paid attention to before is that the original controller is actually 2 different colors. So, wow, learn something new every day, I guess. But yes, this is the one I'll be replacing with this right here. And well, I like it a lot more. This won't actually be replaced. This will just become the communal controller, and this will become a personal one. But yeah, so everything seems to be laid out the same. You have the micro USB in the same spot, same light bars, same little reset button right there. Barcodes in the same position. It's, again, gray to match the buttons. Nice little touch. Sony thinks of a lot when they're doing this. You got your little microphone and headphone jack there. So, this little speaker, yeah, everything's the same pretty much. Same 2 tones, just a different color. And I really like it. One thing I do hope, though, is that these are a bit more durable than the original, because the reason I'm using these thumb covers is because this rubber just rips right off after like a lot of heavy use, I guess. But other than that, yeah, I'm very excited for this controller and can't wait to use it. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of Sony's DualShock 4 wireless controller for the PS4 in Wave Blue. If you like this controller, would like to learn more about it, or possibly pick one up for yourself, I have some links posted in the description below where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.